The 2025 Toyota Motorhome is a futuristic blend of reliability, innovation, and outdoor luxury. Built on Toyota's trusted chassis, it transforms into a mobile living space with intelligent design and aerodynamic style. From the first glance, the exterior tells a story of purposeful travel. The sleek, sculpted body features LED headlamps with dynamic indicators, a wide front grille that enhances airflow, and strong lines that give it a bold, confident stance. The panoramic windshield provides a commanding view of the road, while the high ground clearance and all-terrain tires ensure capability in both city streets and rugged landscapes. Integrated solar panels on the roof power essential systems, reducing dependence on external charging. The side of the vehicle showcases a smart retractable awning, subtle slide-outs that expand the living area, and hidden storage compartments, designed to carry tools, camping gear, or luggage. With a color palette inspired by nature, including metallic sand, forest green, and pearl white, it blends into any outdoor setting with elegance. Step inside, and the 2025 Toyota Motorhome feels like a premium mobile apartment. The entrance opens into a wide lounge area with modular seating wrapped in high-grade vegan leather. Smart ambient lighting adjusts automatically with the time of day. The living space transforms into a cinema zone with a fold-out oldie screen and surround speakers hidden within the ceiling panels. The walls are sound insulated, giving a quiet, cozy environment even when parked in busy locations. Touch-sensitive panels control lighting, temperature, and entertainment, all synced to your smartphone or smartwatch. The kitchenette is fully equipped with a dual induction cooktop, convection microwave, a compact fridge-freezer combo, and a deep sink with retractable faucet. Cabinetry is soft-close, finished in matte walnut tones. The countertop extends outward to create a breakfast bar by the window. Adjacent to the kitchen is a multi-purpose dining table that tucks away or doubles as a work desk. The bedroom features a hydraulic bed system with memory foam mattress and adjustable recline. Overhead skylights with blackout shades give stargazing options at night and privacy when needed. There's underbed storage, built-in wardrobes, and charging stations on both sides. The bathroom is compact but efficient with a rain shower, heated floor, smart mirror with built-in defogger, and compost toilet with eco-waste separation system. Water is recycled through a dual filtration loop, minimizing usage while maintaining hygiene. The heating and cooling system is adaptive, powered by both battery and propane backups. Climate remains stable across different weather zones. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome runs on a hybrid powertrain combining a 2.5L inline-4 petrol engine with dual electric motors. The combined output reaches 250 horsepower, enough to cruise highways smoothly and climb hills without strain. Acceleration is responsive due to electric torque assist, while regenerative braking boosts efficiency. The drive modes include Eco, Normal, and Trail for different terrains. Range per tank and charge is approximately 700 kilometers. Off-grid capabilities are enhanced by the onboard inverter, roof solar panels, and auxiliary battery system. The suspension setup is electronically adjustable. It maintains smooth driving whether on bumpy back roads or paved highways. Safety tech includes Toyota's full safety sense suite with adaptive cruise, lane keeping assist, auto emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras for parking. The infotainment unit up front includes a 12-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 10-speaker JBL surround system. The expected price starts from around $85,000 depending on trim level and optional packages. Premium editions can go up to $110,000 with features like full automation assist, satellite internet, and luxury trim upgrades. The 2025 Toyota Motorhome is for those who crave mobility without sacrificing comfort. It offers the trusted engineering of Toyota combined with the freedom of the open road.